Ramaciotti Foundations continue to support biomedical research and each year make significant distributions through the Ramaciotti Awards. Since its inception in 1970, the Scientific Advisory Committee has been instrumental in the success of the Ramaciotti Awards to help ensure grants are made to worthy and legitimate projects.
Particular characteristics of the successful applicant would be that they have been supported by the Ramaciotti Foundation at some stage in the past. Secondly, that they remain active in the research area for which the medal is being awarded. And thirdly, that most of the work has actually been done in Australia.
The Ramaciotti Foundation's credibility comes from a very strict peer review system to evaluate the grants.
The Advisory Committee provides oversight in terms of the scientific input for the distribution of the funds.
The committee continues to advise Perpetual as trustees of the Ramaciotti Foundations in relation to income distribution, policy and procedure for sourcing applicants, and award guidelines and eligibility. It also helps ensure that the awards remain relevant to the biomedical research community. Committee members are selected based on a number of factors such as skills and experience in the medical field, as well as distribution throughout the country across a variety of institutions and medical specialties.
We looked for people who'd excelled in biomedical research, and looking through the list today of the people who'd won it, which has pretty well, I think.
The committee is looking for innovation, excellence, and somebody who's still doing this great work at the moment. They're pretty high and impressive requirements. The difficult thing is there's actually a lot of fantastic researchers who meet those criteria, and so it's a hard job being able to identify the most excellent researcher amongst many.
The most important thing that this advisory committee has to do is to maintain its procedures under very intense scrutiny.
We assess the scientific merit and, to a certain extent, how much benefit the funding will bring to developing that research quickly.
A really important way in which the Scientific Advisory Committee can assist Ramaciotti's Foundation future is keep on ensuring that we are identifying and rewarding excellent research.
While Perpetual provides the framework for the committee, their expertise is invaluable in the decision-making process and complements Perpetual's experience in trust management.
It's incredibly well known amongst biomedical researchers in Australia.
Because it's been around for a long time and it's done tremendous work.
If you mention Ramaciotti, every biomedical scientist will recognise it as being the single most significant private philanthropic organisation that supports medical research in Australia.